Brent, I'm gonna scratch up your car right now, mate. You ready for this? It's a wire brush. Ready? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay, good thing is this has SunTek PPF on it. So this will actually self-heal in the sun. The scratches will disappear. For now, to speed up the process, we've got the heat gun. Check out what happens. It just completely disappears. That's so cool. What's up guys, Supercar Blondie here in LA, and today is going to be a very good day.
What's up? What's up? Hey, nice car.
Hey, what's up, man?
How are you?
Good, nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Nice car.
Oh, thank you, you too.
This is Brent, everyone.
Hey,
Brent
guys.
Rivera. Check him out here. Here's his handle. Go give him some love. What's going to happen is SunTek paint protection film is going to offer one of us an $8,000
Ooh.
PPF
Ooh.
on one of our cars. Okay?
I need that.
The thing is, we're going to have to fight to the death.
Fight to the death. That sounds scary.
Well, it's worth it though, right?
Yeah, it's worth it.
Totally worth it for the PPF. So this is your Macan, huh? Is
Yes.
this your daily?
Yes, this is my daily driver.
Nice.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to do a challenge today. 7-second challenge. Whoever wins is going to go and get their PPF coat on their car. Now, Brent,
Yes.
you don't actually have PPF, right? I mean, I didn't even ask.
Yeah.
You don't have it, right?
I have nothing on this car.
What's that? No, that's just poop. That's...
No, actually, I think this might. No, that's poop. Yeah,
That's poop, yeah.
poop. Oh, right here. Here's a little.
Is it? Oh, there's a little nick. There you
Is
go.
that a nick?
That's a nick.
Oh, wait,
is it?
it's
No,
coming
that's
off.
poop.
It's poop.
That's poop.
That
Oh,
might
here's
be
a
a
little bit.
scratch.
Oh,
There
there
you
you go.
go.
There you
Yeah.
go. So this is the deal, guys. When you get PPF on your car, it's going to avoid all of the rocks like spraying into your car and getting nicks and scratches and stuff on it. And you know the other thing is, when you look at this, you see how sometimes you can see like the swirling marks?
Yeah, swirlies.
The damn swirlies.
I don't like those.
Right?
No.
So what happens is the PPF, when you like wash the PPF and it gets the swirlies, I like how you call it the swirlies, it then actually just from the heat reheals itself, like self-healing kind of thing,
wow.
which is kind of weird from the sun. If it's your car, I'm gonna take your keys and go get it done for you.
Oh,
If it's my car,
fancy.
you can take the Evo and go get it done for
That
me.
doesn't sound too bad either. I might make you win.
That way we both win a little bit.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
exactly.
Like I would get the PPF coat, but you get to drive the Hurricane.
Yeah.
Whereas if you get the PPF, I get to drive your car.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.
Right?
Deal.
Deal. Okay, let's get going.
You know what they say? If you park your car and you look back at it, you have the right car.
It's true. If you don't look at your car when you walk away, you need to sell it immediately.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to you enough. All right, I'm building you a little water tower.
What the
Brent.
heck? What's this for?
I know, it's the weirdest 7-second challenge ever. Okay, what you're gonna do is you drive as fast as you can towards these water bottles, and you have to stop like as close as possible to them without hitting them over. That's your 7-second challenge. Are you gonna... And you're not allowed to stop like 5 meters away. That's a fail. That's an immediate
Okay.
disqualification.
So I have to get as close as I can.
As
like-
close as you can to the bottles without knocking them over.
Oh man, I feel like I'm gonna knock him over.
And you have to do it in 7 seconds, so there's a little bit of pressure there as well. All right, which car do you want?
Well, I feel like I know my car better to where like I know the distance of the.
In that case, you're taking the Evo.
What?
Get in the Evo.
Oh no.
All right, it's just like his R8, no issues.
All right, seatbelt first, safety. Time to do this.
All right, let's see how this goes.
Yeah, ready? I'm not gonna go too fast because we're still in the neighborhood, but I'll let it get some good speeds. Okay, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How was that? How was that?
That was awesome.
Was it good?
Yeah.
How close am I?
You're on the box. Yeah. Dude, that's a massive win.
Oh my gosh, look how close it is.
Look at this, look at this, look at this.
That's how close I am to failing school.
Really good.
All right, so now it's your turn.
Yeah.
So your 7-second challenge is to weave in and out of bottles without knocking them over.
What?
You're gonna have to like really
in 7
use
seconds.
in 7 seconds. You ready? I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna set it up. All right. I'm guessing she's gonna knock this one over. That third one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Where am I going?
So
It's not one altogether.
this one was skipped. This one over here is skipped.
That's a fail then.
That was 7 seconds, but yeah, you skipped this one, so I might have to give you a fail there.
Fail. Okay, challenge number 2.
Okay.
The challenge is, can you pick up a girl in 7 seconds with the Hurricane Evo? Okay.
So like
You gotta use
like
like
a random
girl, rock
man.
up, pull up.
And it has to be 7 seconds.
Only 7 seconds to get the girl in the car and drive off.
I've never done this before.
Yeah. The tables then turn and I have to do the same thing. I have to pick up a random guy. Are you up for it?
I'm totally up for it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
We are in the local shopping centre. Mate, there's one like right behind you. There's a girl just chilling on the corner over there. Like, she's on her phone.
How old does she look?
I don't know, I can't see her face. She's facing the other way. Probably, maybe your age-ish?
Is it this one here?
No, not that one.
I was like, I'm like, wait, what? I'm like.
Although that would be good. Okay, no, she's like your age. She's just on the corner over there. She's got long brown hair.
Okay, should I go?
Okay, are you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Target in sight. Target in sight.
Here we go.
Okay, turn on the car.
I'll
and
come
go.
with you.
You've got 7 seconds, remember, you've got to be quick.
Oh man, I'm so bad at this.
Okay, good
I'm
luck.
so
I'm
bad
gonna
at
stay
this.
here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll watch from afar.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Here
Go,
we
go.
go.
7 seconds, 7 seconds.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I am so nervous. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Here we go. Excuse me? Would you be down to like go for a ride real quick?
Sorry?
Like hop in the car and like go for like a quick like spin?
I'm good. Thanks though.
Okay, yeah. Bye, have a nice day. She denied me! Oh my gosh, I literally don't even know what to do. I feel so like defeated right now. She said no!
What happened?
She's like, no. She's like,
Dude, you're in a Lamborghini.
I know, like who
How
do I
could you fail?
I don't know. I feel so embarrassed right now. She's like, I'm okay. Like, I'm like,
Oh, dude, that's a massive.
who wouldn't want to go for a ride?
I know. So it was you. You're saying not the Lamborghini, right?
Maybe I look too creepy or something. Like, hey, want to come in?
Yo, what's up, girl?
Yeah. Now that I have failed at this challenge, it is your turn
To fail at the
to
challenge.
fail at this challenge because I am convinced that it's not gonna happen.
Oh, I don't know.
I feel like a guy though. I mean, if I was a guy and a girl
Yeah.
came up to me with a Lamborghini, I'd be like, sure.
I
Like,
think I have higher chances.
Yeah.
Because a guy in a Lambo is a little bit creep.
Yeah,
zone,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
But a girl in a Lambo,
It's
maybe
like,
not
whoa,
so creepy.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how we go.
All right, good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Let's wait
So
for like.
embarrassing.
There's some older people over here too. Like I'm looking at like there's this guy in a blue shirt over here that'd be so funny.
Dude, get me someone normal. Because like,
Okay.
I don't want to be going around with some freak in a Lamborghini.
There's like so many people over there. Like, maybe you just literally just like try and find someone. Like you just go
Okay.
over there and just like.
Okay. Should I go over to LA Fitness and see
Yes.
if some guys are walking out of there?
Yes.
Okay, alright, done. Let's do it.
Like, just like come in alley all buff.
Kissing their guns, like. I reckon I can do it.
I see like 3 or 4 over there. So
Okay.
just
I'll
like
go around there.
go for it. Yeah.
Just wait. There's a couple of guys coming out now. Oh, there's a guy. Oh my god, okay. Should I do it? He's on his phone though. I'm gonna interrupt him on his phone. That's a bit embarrassing. Okay, hang on. I've got to pull in front of him. Excuse me. Sorry, this is a bit random, but I was just wondering if you wanted to come for a ride in the Lambo?
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah, do you want to come in?
I mean,
Like, we got to be quick about this. Do you want to come in? Like, come in now?
I was gonna go hang out with my girlfriend, but
Yeah?
yeah, why not?
Dude, hop out quick, he's coming in.
Do I get to sit here?
Yeah, coming.
Yo.
I'm Alex.
Alex?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
so what are you guys doing this for?
We're actually filming a YouTube video. So, so I just drive around like supercars on my YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's kind of my thing.
Okay.
So, do you want to go for a drive?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, your girlfriend won't miss you.
Nah, she won't see this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, she won't see it.
Okay.
She won't see it.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, bye.
Dang, you won that one. I guess it's 1-1.
I can't believe it. Actually, I can't believe it.
So what did he say?
Dude, he was on the phone to his girlfriend.
No way.
Yes.
She didn't have a
Dude,
problem?
I need to go. I need to go. It's like, oh my god, that's great. Alright, so final challenge. In 7 seconds, I'm going to give you a letter. And you've got to name 3 either car manufacturers or car models that start with that letter.
Okay, this is my, got it.
Okay, so this is the decider. Whoever gets this gets their car PPF.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, so let me think of a letter. Okay, I got mine.
Okay, I'm gonna blank majorly.
Ready?
And I'm the car person.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. The letter is, so 3, 2, 1, B.
B. BMW, Berlinetta, Barchetta. That's 3, right? Did I have to name 7?
Yes, it would just name as many as you can, right?
Okay. BMW, Barchetta,
Yes.
Berlinetta.
You already said that.
Batista.
All right, time's out for sure.
I got 4.
4.
I got 4.
Yeah.
All right. Your letter is L. Go.
L. LaFerrari, Lotus, Land Rover, Lexus, Lamborghini, LFA, LCF,
Oh.
or no, that's
LFA.
RCF. LC500. LC500.
You got it. How many did you get? I was counting
5,
down. So
6.
you beat me on the car challenge.
Oh!
What?
Ooh. Here, let me give you my keys.
What? And
Here
you're
you
just
go.
gonna chill out here at the pool?
I'll just
like,
chill, lay out by the pool or something.
wow, great deal. I'll bring it back in like a couple of days when it's done.
Sounds good to
Okay.
me.
All right, bye, man.
Bye, thank you. All right. This is gonna be my new daily. Not a bad trade.
I want to show you what they're doing to Brent's car because it's mad. These guys are living in like the year 2050 while the rest of us are in 2019. Come with me. We're at Envious Detailing. That's where they're applying the SunTek PPF. Come in. Oh my god! You're kidding me! This is crazy! Look how shiny it is! This is totally different from 3 days ago. And look how cool this is. This is what I was talking about outside. He's living in the year 2050. Look at this. That is mad. So you're 3D scanning this car?
You're actually right in the way, sorry.
Hey, oh, I'm in the way. Oh, I'm in the way of the big scanner.
He's doing again, there was
Yeah,
no
yeah.
lasers or anything on the car.
So you need this here, and you need that little bit of tech there to be able to scan this car 3D.
Yeah.
And then here, it actually starts to appear on the computer as he's scanning the front. They're scanning the whole car so that when they print out the PPF, it's going to fit super, super accurately over each little panel. Guys, what is it?
72.
72! That's literally what we've been hearing over and over again. It's the 72, which basically means you can use one sheet to apply it to the whole hood. Whereas with other companies, you have to like break up the sheet, so there are seams. This hood would have 3 different panels on it, which means basically dirt and stuff can get into the seams, so you can see it after a few years. You're not going to be able to see that on this one. So they're just... Brent, you one lucky mofo, man. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Can't miss the big moment. How satisfying is that job? So you guys, if you didn't know about PPF, It's basically just going to protect your car and make it look like new for, you know, years and years to come. And that I'm very impressed by. Yeah, SunTek. All right, so if you're looking to get PPF, that's the brand that you need to look out for. And you can actually get 3 types of application. Yeah.
Is the full front.
Just the front, because that's where you
Right.
get the most like stone chips kind of things flying down the highway, right?
Right.
At you at the front. And then you've got the track package.
Right.
So where does that cover?
It's going to be the full front, and then also including the A-pillars up here.
Yep.
All the high impact zones, so
Right.
the rockers. The rear impacts would be like back in here, behind on the rear bumper.
Right, okay. So that makes sense for if you're gonna track your car, right? So if you go to the track a lot, you can get just those areas protected. And then the other one is obviously like the full car.
Right, which is what this is doing.
Yeah, they've got a 10-year warranty on this product. That's how confident they are with it. They're just gonna leave this until tomorrow to wrap this all underneath and get this perfect. And then Brent's gonna come pick up the car and we're gonna get Brent's thoughts when it's fully done. So guys, please support the companies that support this channel. This is how I get to be able to fly around the world and keep showing you guys the most amazing cars. So please hit up SunTek. I only work with the best brands. I promise you, they've done such an amazing job. The prices will surprise you. You don't have to get the whole car done. You can just get the hood or whichever bits that you think will benefit you the most. See you guys, thank you. Thank you, we'll see you soon.
It's all ready to go.
Ooh.
Check it out.
Oh my gosh, this thing is so clean. You can't even notice that there's like a wrap on it. Holy crap. Check this paint out. Come here, look. There's like no signs of like anything. Wow. Holy crap. I am so happy right now when I'm in like LA and stuff driving around. Like I get so nervous because there's so many things that can like fly in your car. I'm gonna be less worried about that kind of stuff. So I'm super happy about it. Thank you, Supercar Blondie, for this. Obviously I won the challenge, but I am so thankful. Thank you so much. I'm surprised that you actually picked up the guy though.
Blonde girl in bright red Lamborghini.
Yeah, I feel like it's like an, oh gosh, it's a big bug.
It's kind of, it was kind of a given, let's just be honest.
Yeah, shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're out. That's it. 7-second challenge done. Over and out. We're off.
Bye.